part of the Data Governance in Africa initiative supported by the EU and our team Europe. This morning I participated in the Ghana National Data Strategy Workshop, and here are 3 takeaways. The first one is that it's really critical that the strategy is inclusive. It included representatives from government, civil society, private sector, and other stakeholders. The strategy reflects a balance between protecting citizen data and opening up open, free access to data so that policymakers, civil society, and private sector can use the data to create value. The second takeaway is that the strategy is just a first step, and we need to support its implementation. So the implementation of using data as a strategic tool for development across sectors such as education, health, or agriculture. The third takeaway is there's a strong need to strengthen the capacity and awareness of policymakers in the use of data in their daily work, and also working with civil society, private sector, and grassroots group in the use of data. So thank you so much. Thank you for the government of Ghana in developing this national data strategy with the support of Smart Africa and Data Pop Alliance. We as GSZ are here to support its long-term implementation.